Morning students, today we are going to discuss the rest question of exercise number 4.3. In previous video we have discussed exercise 4.3 question number 1, 2 and 3. Now let's start with question number 4. Okay students, in question number 4 they have given subtract the sum of two number minus 2 by 3 plus minus 7 by 9. This is the first, and the sum of 8 by 3 plus minus 5 by 18. We have to subtract the sum of these two from sum of these two. So first of all we have to find the separate their addition. Okay student, here LCM is 9. 3 3s are 9, so 3 2s are 6. Plus minus minus 7. 7 and 6 both are the same sign number. 7 plus 6, 13, minus 13 by 9 from here. Here LCM is, check, 6 3s are 18, so LCM is 18. 3 6s are, then 8 6s are 48. Plus minus minus 5. And from here we get 43 by 80. Okay, and now our question is subtract this one from this. So we will write first 43 by 18, then minus 13 by 9. When we open the bracket, 43 by 18 minus plus 13 by 9. LCM is 18. 43, 18 1 18, 43 1 43. 9 2 18, 13 2 26. Now the final answer is 59 by 80. Okay students, so I repeat again how to solve this question. In this question they told subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two. So first we have to find out the separate their sum, and then after we subtract this one. Okay, now then after question number 5. In question number 5, what number should be added? Okay, what number should be added to get (9 by 40). So students, if we write this question as an equation, what number should I add in this I can get 9 by 40? Now this question become like a fill-ups only. From the total one we subtract the first one. Okay, from the total we subtract the first one. So how to solve this one? Let's see. 9 by 14 minus 2 by 7. So 9 by 14 minus plus 2 by 7. LCM is 14 only. So 7 2 14, 2 2 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 14 should be added to get 9 by 14. So here we can write in 2 by 7 add 13 by 14 to get 9 by 14. Okay students, let's take one more part of this one. I am going to solve its third part. Okay, in third part they have given minus 7 by 19 to get 3 by 38. Same procedure we follow. From 3 by 38 minus 7 by 19. LCM 38. So 38 1 38, minus plus 19 2 38, 7 2 14. 14 plus 3, 17 by 38. So we should add 17 by 38 in minus 7 by 19 to get 3 by 38. Okay students, now then after move to the other question of this one, question number 6. In question number 6 of this exercise they have given the sum of two rational numbers. Okay, what they have given to us? Sum of two rational numbers. that is minus 15 by 28. Out of this, if one number is 6 by 7, then find the other number. Okay, to find the other number from the sum of two numbers, we subtract the given number. Okay, I repeat again, to find the second number from the sum of these two, subtract the first one. So when we subtract, LCM is 28. So 28 1 ja 28, 15 1 ja 15. 7 4 ja 28, 6 4 ja 24. If we add this one, we get minus 39 by 28. Okay, student? Now move to the other one, question number 7. Question number 7 also the same kind of the question that we have to solve. In question number 7, they told, find a rational number which is, okay, find a rational number which is minus 9 by 11 less than minus 7 by 33. Find a rational number which is minus 9 by 11 less than 7. So directly we will do this one. Try to understand कि minus 73 minus 9 by 11. Then we get that number which is minus 9 by 11 less than this number. So if we solve this one, 7 by 33 minus minus plus 9 by 11. LCM is 33. So 7, 11 3s are 33, 9 3s are 27. And we get that number 20 by 33. Okay. When we less 9 by 11 from this number, we get 20 by 33. Okay, now the last question of this exercise, question number 8. In question number 8, they have to find a rational number which is minus 15 by 28 less than minus 7 by 4. The same type of the question. So minus 7 by 4 minus 15 by 28. So when we solve this one, student, minus 7 by 4 minus plus 15 by 28. LCM is 28. 4 7 ja 28, so 7 7 ja 49. Then plus 15. 9 minus 5 4 and 4 minus 1 3. Check it again. 9 minus 5 4 and 4 minus 1. That minus 34 by 28 is our answer. Okay. For today's student, this much only, and today we have discussed the rest question of our exercise 4.3, that is question number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The same question you have to do in your homework, okay, in your maths register. Thank you, students.